If you feel hopeless about learning English, if you feel like giving up, if you feel like English is too hard, then listen to these 3 points very carefully. Point number 1. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than yesterday. 1 word today, 1 sentence tomorrow, and one day you will speak with confidence. Remember, every mistake is a step forward. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay to be imperfect. Just try your best, and you will see progress. Trust me. Point no. 2. 1 word today, 1 sentence tomorrow. It doesn't matter where you are in your English learning journey. If you can only manage 1 word today, that's fine. Learn that word, use it in a sentence, and then move on to the next word. But if you can do 1 sentence today, that's even better. Write that sentence down, use it in a conversation, and then write another one. The point is to keep moving forward, no matter how small the progress seems. Remember, every word, every sentence, every conversation is a step towards fluency. Point no. 3. Don't stop. Your future self is waiting for you. Imagine the person you want to become, the person you can become with good English. That person is waiting for you. They're waiting for you to learn English so that you can have a better life. Don't let them down. Don't stop now. Is this person worth it? That person is worth the effort. That person is worth the time. And that person is definitely worth the struggle. So don't give up. Keep going. Learn English and change your life. If you feel hopeless, listen to this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than yesterday. Like 1 word today, 1 sentence tomorrow, and one day you will speak with confidence. Remember, every mistake is a step forward. Don't stop. Your future self is waiting for you in English. I hope this video gave you some hope. I hope it made you believe in yourself again. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.